Is Cyril Ramaphosa a beneficiary of the proceeds of crime and corruption? Is Cyril Ramaphosa a beneficiary of the crime that we as South Africans have been complaining about? I think it's important that after the revelations by the Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, the SAPS Provincial Commissioner in the province of KwaZulu-Natal, after he's made the revelations, now it is coming to the fore that one of the people, the main character in what Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi was talking about, the person named Brown Mokgotsi, is one of the people who actually funded Cyril Ramaphosa in his campaign, the CR17 campaign, towards the Nasrec conference. Remember the Nasrec conference where Cyril Ramaphosa defeated Dr. Nkosazana Dlamini Zuma with 54 votes for the top post of the presidency